Throughout this lesson, going to explain how to resize and scale images without losing its quality by using Smart Object. We'll see here the difference between resizing normal-based images and resizing Smart Object-based images. Let's start now. To see the advantages of resizing images, going to have two copies side by side for the comparison. Now we'll get another copy of this image. Go to Image menu. Choose Duplicate. Press OK. Now we'll keep these two images side by side. Go to Window menu. Select Arrange. Then choose Tile All vertically. Select the Zoom tool. Right-click on the images. Select Fit on Screen to keep both images in same size. Rename this file as Original or as Normal. Press OK. Now select the right side image. And rename it as Smart Object. And press OK. Now we have the original image in the left side and the converted image on the right side. Now we'll convert the image to Smart Object. Right-click on the Smart Object layer and choose Convert to Smart Object command. Or click this icon and select from the drop-down menu. Now Photoshop converted this layer to Smart Object. Select the original layer. Then go to Edit menu and choose Free Transform. Image is selected now. Now going to downscale this image to 5%. Go to the option bar and click the link icon and change the value to 5%. Press Enter to accept the changes. Select the Smart Object layer. Again go to Edit menu. And choose Free Transform as we did before. Make sure the link is selected. Change the value to 5% as we did before. Now both images are in same size of 5%. We'll make the images to the previous size now. Select the original layer. Go to Edit menu and choose the Free Transform command. Select the normal layer. Then select the Edit menu as we did before. And choose the Free Transform. Click this icon which is Maintain Aspect Ratio of the height and the width. Notice the value of the height and width in the option bar. We have already downscaled this image to 5%. But, now it shows as 100%. What happened here? It has only 5% of the details of this image. 95% were deleted. Select the normal layer. Then select the Edit menu as we did before. And choose the Free Transform. Pressing the Shift and Alt key, drag the one corner mark, till reach to the earliest size. Check the option bar. The value of the height and width reached to 2000% to become to the previous size. What happened here? Photoshop has taken the details from the smaller version of the image and made the image bigger. Therefore, the image is so blurry. We'll do the same works to the Smart Object layer. Check the details in the toolbar. For the normal image, Photoshop reset the value to 100% after we resized. But, the Smart Object shows the details of height and width of 5%. Not like in the previous example of normal image. What Smart Object does is that it has all the details inside the pocketing. In another word, Smart Object works as a container. When you resize the image, downscaling or upscaling, it doesn't delete any details, it keeps the all information inside the container. Pressing the Shift and Alt key, drag the one corner mark, till reach to the earliest size. Notice here changes of the height and width values. Before conclude, remember this. When we upscaled the normal image, which is the pixel-based image, Photoshop gets the details from the smaller image and make it bigger. But Smart Object is like a container. In this case, it has our image. If we change the image size, the container is changing to that size, not the image. Even though, if you resize many times, nothing happened to the image. Make another copy as we did in the previous project. Go to Image menu. Choose Duplicate. Now we have two copies here. We'll keep them side by side. Go to Window, choose Arrange, then select Tile all vertically. Select the copied layer. Go to Image menu, and choose Image Size. Select Automatic from the drop-down menu in Resample. Change the resolution value to 150. I am selecting % here. You can choose anything according to your need. Making double the size, adding 200% here. Press OK. It's being processed. Select the Zoom tool and right-click on the image. Choose to fit on screen. Check these two images. No any differences in quality even though the copied image doubled by its size. Can do this in another way as well. Go to Window and choose History. Select the girl copy in the list. Select the Zoom tool, and right-click on it. And click Fit on Screen. Turn this layer to Smart Object. Now do the same steps as we did for the previous exercise. Go to Image menu again. Choose Image Size. Select Automatic from the drop-down menu in Resample. Change the resample value 300. And width and height value 150%. Press OK. Once again check these both two images. No any quality lost noticed. Let's see the third method of resizing process. Right-click on the background layer. Select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Image menu. Select Canvas Size. In the canvas size, choose the needed one. I am selecting % here. and change the value 150 for both height and width. Press OK. Select the zoom tool. Right-click on the image and choose Fit to Screen. Go to Edit menu and choose the Free Transform command. Pressing the Shift and Alt key, drag one corner point to the full canvas size. Or type the value in the option bar. Hit OK in order to accept the changes. Even in this way also, you can resize the images without losing the quality. Let's see another way of resizing process. Go to File menu. Choose New Layer. Add the height size. And add the width size here. Click on Create button. Go to the folder where the image is stored. Drag the image to our canvas. Pressing the Shift and Alt key, release the mouse click. Image has been placed in center. Click on the Enter icon here. Or press the Enter key. Check the icon on the layer. When we drag and drop an image, Photoshop turns the image as a smart object. Holding the Shift and Alt keys, drag the image. Or type the value in the option bar. In this tutorial, I have explained about resizing images without losing quality in 4 ways. I hope it will be useful to you.